Okay, good morning. My name is Victor Hugo Lozano Castro, and this is my evidence number 3. In this evidence, we're going to talk about our last investigation called The Importance of Family to Prevent Drugs in Adolescents in Mexico. So, starting with the research design that we choose. We choose a research design of non-experimental, specified on qualitative research, because we wanted to go deeper into the phenomenon. We want to know and discover the importance and the role of the family to prevent the consumption of drugs in their adolescents. We wanted to understand and comprehend the events and experiences of their sons. So about population, sample, instruments, and techniques used on our research were the sample of a group of persons between 15 and 20 years old on both genders. So it was mixed, male and female. And it were casual sampling and also convenience sampling, because we're going to choose that we're looking to choose to people that were in contact with another drug or with a person that consumes drugs. Our instruments were the observation, and we're going to make the procedure by doing interviews, because we need some specific information that only the persons can give us. We can't obtain it with the only use of the observation. So we have to go deeper on the topic. Okay, now we got some variety of ages, but all are between 15 and 20 years old. We interviewed 2 of 20 years old, 3 of 90 years old, then another 3 of 90 years old, 3 of 17, 5 of 18, and 2 of 16, approximately. Then we made the codification, calling the option A, that was because I wanted to try it, with the number 0, the number B with the number 1, the number C with the number 2, the number D with the number 3. So, next we are going to the data analysis. So, a lot of people chooses the option A and the option D. That has the option A says that because I wanted to try it, and the option D says that I never try it. So the persons that has some contact with the drug are because they have friends or their family or their brothers, or they have seen or offer it but they didn't consume it. So by this we can know the importance of the family, because in another question we question the people about if their family taught them about the consumption of drugs, and most of them, the people that choose the option D, say that yes, their family have talked about drugs to them. So the last part, data analysis. We interviewed 15 male and 7 female. Now, from 15 men, 6 have been in contact with the drug, and the other doesn't. From 6 women, 2 have been in contact with the drug. So we can know that the men can be more propense to consume the drugs. So we can conclude that the family has an important job preventing some addictions and problems. Okay, so of our investigation, we can obtain some research lines that another investigations can base their info in our results. These are some research lines that we think that can obtain info about us. The first one is the importance of the family for educating a teenager. Then, why the adolescence is a dangerous phase, how the teenagers think, the impact of social pressure, and the risks of the adolescents in their life. Okay, so then we got some areas that our investigation can help. These are the science area, the psychological area, and the area of sociology. So, first, of science. Uh, the investigation can help this topic because of the chemicals that the drugs produce, how the brain works when a teenager is on the situation related to drugs. Then, to psychology is because of how the mentality of the adolescents works and about the topic of social pressure. Then, about sociology because of the drug consume impacts on society, how it transforms the people, and how what is the mentality or the thinking about this problem, the drug consumption. Our investigation has some impacts that will help the people in the future to prevent some problems or understand the people that it's on drugs, like how to treat the adolescent. It will help also to how to talk about drugs to the childs. Then it can help to prevent drugs in a family, to help somebody that is not on drugs or is on drugs, and to understand the social pressure and prevent bad relations of friendships. And then the people that will be detractors of our investigation, of our work, can be the narcos, can be some drug dealers, can be the people that are in drugs, can be some family includes, because some of them aren't against the drugs, and some teenagers that have drugs but they aren't in drugs. Okay, so this is my evidence tree. Hope you like it, teacher, and good morning.